When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight.
All right, what's going on, everyone? We're at MGM Grand on the Las Vegas Strip. We're finally doing a room tour here. I've been wanting to do one for a long time. Let's go get, we already did mobile check-in. I'm just going to get my room keys printed. Let's go inside. Let's go check out the room. We're going to go check out the lazy river, the pool. I'm super excited to be here. Let's go check it out. So Studio Tower there's a couple ways to get there. Easiest way is either follow the signs for Wolfgang Puck, and it's right across the way from Wolfgang Puck. Or if you're coming from basically the lobby, you follow Avenue Cafe and then you make a right, and then you just make a left right here at Avenue Tower, or Studio Tower, I'm sorry. All right, welcome back to Vegas, Gabe. I am super excited. We are at the MGM Grand on the Las Vegas Strip. MGM owns probably about close to half of the Strip. I've been wanting to stay here for years. We are finally staying at the MGM Grand. It's me and my girlfriend's anniversary week/weekend, so we're here celebrating. So we finally stayed here at the MGM Grand. We're at the Studio Tower. It's actually really nice. I'm impressed. This is kind of like a studio. It's nice, so I'm excited to be here. We're here for a couple of nights, so without further ado, let's show you around. So right when you walk in, immediately, here is the restroom to the right. So it has these two doors. When you close them, they close together. So you close them, you get your privacy right here. Immediately to the left, inside, you get your sink. Nice sink, you got your tissues. There is a makeup mirror. So you have a makeup mirror right here. Let's see what else you got. Your body lotion, your hand wash. Plenty of towels, you got some extra toilet paper down there, a hair dryer. Nice shower. It's one of those, like from the top, like a rainfall shower, which I always like. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash in there. It's a nice shower actually. It's really nice, clean in here, very modern. Nice lighting. You got your toilet, and not much to say, a little crooked, but it is what it is. So yeah, overall a nice shower. Or a nice bathroom. Let's go see the rest of the place though. So it's really nice in here actually. So I was pleasantly surprised. I booked this. This was the cheapest room, guys. I'll be honest with you. I'm not a high roller. I'm not a rich guy. So when I show you Vegas, I like to show you guys the most cost-effective room, because that's what I think most people are gonna book. You guys are gonna book the most cost-effective room, right? So that's what I got. I got the most cost-effective room. So this is the cheapest room the MGM Grand had available. This is the Studio Tower. So immediately over here, this is the mini bar. This is the area that you want to stay away from, guys, because if you move this, there's sensors here. So you move this, they're gonna charge you. And guys, when I tell you that these are expensive, these are expensive. Don't touch these. Don't touch these at all. Just stay away from them, guys. Okay, you can use these glasses. These glasses are for you. There is an ice bucket here. You can use this ice bucket. Most floors, pretty much every floor has an ice machine. Go get your ice. It has a bag in here for sanitary purposes, so you can go get ice. You can make yourself your own drinks if you choose to. Most of these fridges have stuff in there. Don't touch them. They're gonna charge you. Their sensors, guys. They're gonna charge you a lot. So just stay away from this area. But the ice bucket and the glasses are there for you. Other than that, don't touch these things, guys. They are gonna charge you an arm and a leg. Other than that, you do have a kind of like a little closet area here. There's plenty of hangers. There's, gosh, probably over 10 hangers here. There's an ironing board. There's a safe. I know a lot of you guys care about safes, so there is a safe here. places you can put your underwear, your socks, whatever you want to put down there. There's a trash can there. There is here's our bag for 2 nights. You guys want to guess? You guys in the comments, let me know. How much of this do you guys want to guess is mine? I'd say about 25% of the stuff in here is mine. But here's a nightstand right here. I always care about this stuff. I think it's important. There is two USB chargers and a power outlet here. You can control the light here from here. That's pretty cool. There's a phone. We all have cell phones, guys. I don't know who would use this. Here's the AC right here. You can control the AC from here. One of my favorite things to do. We gotta check the bed, guys. Right? It's a room tour. So let's check the bed. Oh, that's comfy. Have you tried the bed yet, babe? It's comfy. Okay, I like it. Yeah, I like this. It's a good one. The pillows at New York are pretty good. Let's see if this one will top them. It looks actually good. They look very thick. I like the thicker pillows that don't go flat on you like pancakes. So those are good. Actually, I think I'm gonna sleep very comfortably here. The AC's already kicking in cold. Nice bed so far. The pillows are pretty good, so I think we're gonna sleep very, very comfortably here. Anyway, let's continue with the room tour. You have your TV over here. So you do have a TV. We haven't turned it on, so I don't know if it's gonna say nothing. New York actually had like a welcome screen, which is pretty cool. Yeah, guys, it's no smoking here. Don't smoke in the rooms; they're gonna charge you. You do have another power outlet here, two USB your two USB outlets here as well. Same thing on this side. You do have your nightstand over here too. You can control the light here. Another power outlet and two USB outlets here as well. Actually, there's a wireless charging station too. I just noticed that. So if you have a phone, you can charge it wirelessly here. That's pretty cool. Little sofas here. You can use this as a coffee, whatever you want to drink. Late night munchies, whatever you want to do here. And yeah, that's pretty cool. And then this is kind of, I haven't looked out here, so we're gonna look out here together. I don't think it's gonna be a view, guys. I really don't. But we're gonna look out here together for the first time. Oh, okay, so we can see a little bit of just part of the MGM structure. But yeah, it's really not a view. I didn't think we would because I didn't pay for a stripped view or anything. You can kind of see that's part of the baseball stadium that's being built. All the cranes and all that's part of the baseball stadium being built right there where the Tropicana was at. And you can see Oyo over there. We were just there earlier for a live stream. But you can see Oyo over there. But yeah, again, I didn't pay extra for a street view, so I didn't think we were going to see it. But overall, it's a very, very nice room. I'll show you guys around later on how we got here because it is on the further end of the casino. So when you check in, it's way on the opposite side of the check-in area. So if you want to get to Las Vegas Boulevard very easily, you want to stay on Studio Tower because you're probably a 2-minute walk right to Las Vegas Boulevard. So if that's what you care for, stay in Studio Tower. If you want to stay closer to Las Vegas Boulevard on Tropicana Avenue, like to get to Excalibur easier on the other side, then you want to stay on the opposite side. But overall, it's a great room so far. I'm actually really happy here. I think we're going to be pretty comfortable here. But we'll walk around around MGM later on. I'll show you some food options. I'll show you what all they have around. And I'm super excited to show you guys around. We're going to go to the Lazy River tomorrow and the pool. So stay tuned for a lot more content. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Alright guys, good morning from MGM Grand. I just wanted to give a quick update. Overall, slept really well actually. They give you like 4 pillows, so a couple pillows per person. The bed was pretty comfortable in my opinion. The AC worked great, so It was very quiet. I didn't hear any noises really throughout the night, so I slept really well. We have an appointment to go to that was scheduled before we planned this little getaway or mini staycation. So we're gonna go to that appointment, and then when we get back, we're immediately gonna get ready and hit the pool and lazy river up. So I have my DJI with me, so we'll take it out to the pool and the lazy river. So the next time you'll see me, we'll be out there. So let's go check out the pool and lazy river. All right, guys, pretty long walk to the pool. You see a lot of people bringing their own floaties, so I'm hoping they give you the floaties. I hope they provide them for the lazy river. If not, we might not be using the lazy river, but there it is. Pool complex hours 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Lazy river hours 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So let's go check them out. All right, guys, so here's the regular pool. It's a Thursday afternoon, 12 o'clock noon. It's steady. Gosh, I'm actually surprised how busy they are. We're gonna go walk around a little bit, check out some more of it. Let's go check out. They have a cabana grill over here. So here's like a patio area. Go check out what else they have over here. So here's part of the cabana grill. So you can order right from a kiosk right here. They have the condiments and all that. Looks like you pick up over here. They have pool bites, including breakfast. They have like chips and salsa, fruit plates, nachos, burgers and sandwiches, non-alcoholic drinks. You can also pay directly there if you're paying with cash. Here's some other stuff, guys. Burger and fries, $22. Impossible Burger, which is probably like a Beyond Burger, is $23. Hot dog and fries is $12. Pool bites, chips and salsa is $14. Fruit plate, $16. Chicken tenders is $23. Tenders and fries, holy cow. They got salads. Caesar salad is $18. Garden salad is $17. Yeah, it's steep side, but we're on the strip. All right, guys, here's the lazy river. It's pretty crowded, actually. I did not expect it to be this busy, but it's pretty busy. You do have to buy your own floaties, though. It is $25 for a 36-inch and $30 for a 48-inch, so you do have to buy them. There's a lot of people walking in there, so you can walk in there. Let's go walk around a little bit more, though. All right, guys, we walked, I don't know, I would say maybe about a third of the lazy river so far. That's pretty cool. They have like a little area with the waterfall right there. It's a beautiful lazy river. You could tell it's really big, actually. But it's very, very crowded here. And the prices for the floaties are very, very crazy. $25 or $30 just for one is very expensive. What do you think, babe?
I mean, if we were gonna buy one and we share,
Yeah.
I think it's okay.
She said like to buy one and share, but then we wouldn't be able to go in together. Or if we do, one of us is always going to be walking, you know what I mean? So if you're going to come, my recommendation is buy them on Amazon, buy them at Walmart, whatever. Put them in your bag and just inflate them once you get here. It's going to be way cheaper than buying them here. I didn't know that they didn't have them here for you. I guess it's a great money making thing to do. We're going to walk around, try to find a couple of chairs or even one chair for us. We're going to walk around a little bit more. It's really nice here, but it does get very, very crowded. So let's walk around. All right, guys, we made it into the lazy river. It feels great in here. It's a really big lazy river. We just have no floaties in here. We're still enjoying it. Water feels great. Let me flip the camera around so I can show you around. I have sunblock on so I do not get sunburnt. It is, let's see, 90 degrees outside. So we beat the complete heat, but it feels good in here. All right, guys, we've done one complete lap. This is where we started, Palm Tree Beach Club. We're about to do another lap right now. I'm actually counting on my phone how long it takes to do a full lap. We're just floating, so we have people in front of us with floaties. We're keeping up with their pace just to kind of see how long it takes. So I'll tell you guys how long it takes to do a complete lap. I'm having a great time. Let's see. All right, guys, so going at a normal pace, it was about 9 minutes to make one round. So it's a pretty big lazy river. So 9 minutes. So I think we're going to get out right now and we're going to check out the main pool now. So let's go check out the main pool. All right, guys, this is a Palm Tree Beach Club. You have to be 21 to get in here. It's right in between the main pool and the lazy river. The lazy river is over to the left. We were just there. And then here's the main pool and spa. I showed that a little bit when we first came in. But here it is over here. It's a little smaller. To be honest, I expected it to be a little bit bigger for being a MGM. But we're about to go find a seat, hopefully. We're gonna go get in here for a little bit. Let's take a look. Alright guys, yeah, we made it in the pool. The pool's actually nice and warm. It's warmer than the lazy river, so if you like warm water, it's definitely warmer in here. It is a little bit smaller than I expected for being like the pool, the main pool for MGM. Yeah, but we found literally maybe 2 empty seats in the entire pool complex, so we won't be in here too long. I'm starting to get a little red already, so but yeah, it's a nice day today, so we're enjoying it out here.